Hey Harsh, what are you building?
So I'm building a zero knowledge proof based voting system where basically you could prove to a system that you're allowed to vote, and the system would never know that who you actually are, who you voted for, but it would still know whether you're allowed to vote. So it's a way to do meaningful consensus of voting on chain, on a public blockchain. Yeah.
Why do you think this is important? Do you have any use cases?
Yeah, so the number one use case would be that why can't we do the election of Gujarat on Ethereum, right? The simple reason is that, first of all, the smart contract needs to know that whether you can actually vote or not. And for that, definitely your public key would be connected with some sort of a centralized identity, right? And once that happens and you start voting on a public blockchain, right, everyone knows where you stand, and that's something that you don't want, right? You don't want it on a public election, right? So you need a way to prove to the smart contract that you are indeed eligible to vote, but a smart contract not knowing that who you actually are, but still knowing that you can vote, right? So this is kind of what I'm trying to build today here, and yeah, I hope I will have a working POC ready in few hours. Yeah.
Awesome. So how far along in the journey are you? When did you start? When did you get this idea?
So this idea I got it while working on zero knowledge proofs for the past 3 months. So I was thinking about what's the next step of it. Read a lot of papers that have been published in 2018 or 19 around that time, and yeah, slowly I kind of started understanding that what else apart from payments is something that we need anonymity on, and that is voting, right? Where we stand for is something that we need anonymity. So yeah, that's kind of how I got the idea. Yep.
All right. So now you have like a working product?
Yeah, so I have a working product as of now. I'm just thinking of how can I demo it very well. I'm fixing a few parts that are broken, but yeah, it's kind of like working. Yeah.
Super cool, man. Thank you so much.
Sure. Yep.